Hello, everyone, and welcome to Healing Moments. This week, I am channeling through the healing energy of one of my grounding pyramids. It is a combination of selenite, tourmaline, shungite, clear quartz, steel, and Super 7. These types of crystal combinations can be incredibly grounding for you and your home. So I invite you today to allow yourself to get comfortable. For the next few moments, closing your eyes and bring the awareness first into your breath, breathing in through the nose and out through the nose or mouth. You can choose to keep your eyes closed during this healing process, or you can choose to keep your eye gaze focused upon the crystal pyramid. As I invite the energy of the crystals to move and process through me, giving yourself permission now to receive this energy on a quantum level so that anytime you watch this video, you can experience this healing for yourself. Breathing in and breathing out. You do not need to worry about where the energy flows within you, whether it's in your mind, your body, your emotions, within your spirit. Your higher self knows exactly where the energy is needed today. All you need to do is breathe, allow, and receive. Nowhere to go, nothing to do. Just breathe. If it's going into your mind, into your thoughts, you may feel warmth or tingling. If it's going into your emotions, you may feel waves of happiness or sadness coming and going. If the energy is moving in through the physical body, you may feel waves of sensations of pain or sometimes static. Sometimes there's actually a jolt of energy that will shake or make the body twinge. If it's moving into your spirit, you may feel the sensation either in the third eye or in the occipital ridge of the skull. Again, no need to worry about where it needs to go. It's just receiving and allowing it to move in and through you. Breathing in and breathing out. Just a few more moments allowing this energy and vibration of healing, vitality, renewing, restoring to move in and through you as it is needed. Again, breathing in and breathing out. If your eyes are closed, begin to open your eyes, bringing your awareness right back into the here and the now. I want to thank you for joining me today for just a short healing moment with this beautiful pyramid of many different crystals in order to help you. Have a great week. Namaste.